Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and preparing both devices. First, check the watch model supports Wear OS and update firmware. This avoids pairing failures. Then, install the Wear OS app on your Android phone and enable Bluetooth and location. Both are required for discovery. Make sure the watch is charged above 50% and not paired to anything else. If it is, perform a factory reset. Once done, place the devices close together so discovery is fast, and open the Wear OS app now. You will now pair the devices and configure accounts. On the phone, open Wear OS and tap Add a new watch. Look for the watch name and confirm the pairing code shown on both screens. Make sure to grant all requested permissions, location for discovery, contacts for calls, notifications for alerts, and background data for syncing, because denying them blocks key features. Next, sign into your Google account when prompted so the Play Store and App Sync function. Once paired, allow the initial sync to finish before continuing. You're in the last stretch. Finish on-watch setup by selecting a watch face, enabling Google services like Assistant, and installing any pending updates. These ensure stability. Make sure core apps you want are installed from the Play Store and grant notification access in the Wear OS app so alerts arrive. If something goes wrong, try the simplest fixes first. Restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and repair. If issues persist, reset network settings or perform a watch factory reset. This clears stale pairings and usually resolves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.